How to add another account to Discord Mobile? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible to add another account to Discord Mobile. So here is how you can do it. Firstly, launch the Discord app on your iPhone or Android device and make sure you are logged into your Discord account. Once done so, you can simply tap on the U or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to open user settings. Now, once you open the user settings, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down till the bottom and there you can see logout option available. Tap on the logout. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you are sure you want to log out. Tap logout again to confirm. After logging out, you will be taken back to the login screen. Now here enter the credentials, email and password for the second Discord account you would like to use. Alternatively, you can log in with Google or Apple ID depending on how the second account is linked. Once you are logged back in, then you can switch the account according to your preferences. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.